Functions in Python. There are two types of functions: inbuilt and user-defined. There are more than 50 inbuilt functions. Print and input also an inbuilt function. We will see more later. Now let's see user-defined function. The main use of function is, when we wanted to use a set of code multiple times, instead of typing the code many times, we save that code in a place with a name. Whenever we want to use the code, we don't need to type the whole code, just use the name, and we get to use the set of code. Syntax: def, function name, parenthesis, colon, enter. Code block. We can also give arguments and use return, it's optional. Example: we create a function name add, without arguments. It asks user to enter values for a and b. Then it add both values and print it. Let's call the function and run. Because the default input value is string, so it add two strings. To take the value as integer, we use int function. It converts the string to integer. Now run this code.